Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the DOGGO token. Now the DOGGO token just got a brand new listing on a central exchange. They also just got listed on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko recently. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the DOGGO token. So, DOGGO just got listed January 15th at 13 hours UTC time in the spot trading innovation zone on a central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, you would just go right through that Mexc referral code down there, fund your account with USDT, go into the spot trading innovation zone, search DOGGO, D-O-G-G-O, which is the ticker symbol for this token, and then you would simply just buy the token. It is that easy. Now, it was recently also announced on Mexc Global's Twitter, which you could find at Mexc_global, that they are going to be doing a Ask Me Anything, I believe. I just saw it announced here. Yeah, so there's going to be, it says, Twitter Space AMA with Mexc Global and DOGGO. So it's going to be hosted by the Mexc VP named Andrew and also Viktor from who is the DOGGO founder, and that is on January 17th, which is today, at 7 a.m. PST time, and it is entitled "Can DOGGO Become the New Shiba?" So you could check out this Ask Me Anything here on Mexc Global's Twitter if you're interested in learning about the DOGGO project. Now, like I said, you could also find it on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. Now, according to CoinGecko, it's not doing very well today. It is actually down 30.1% right now. Now, DOGGO is the name of the token. It is also the ticker symbol for the token. Now, this is on the Solana blockchain, so you can view their Sol scan on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. And that's going to give you like tokenomic information. Like right now they have 24,734 holders. So that's a decent amount of holders. 5 decimal places on this token. Their current supply here, that is a million. So a little bit over 98.49 trillion tokens. And it says their market cap is a little bit over $10.4 million. So that's according to their Sol scan there. Now, on CoinGecko, you can find their official webpage, which is Viktordao.io. And like I said, Viktor is the name of the founder. And most likely there is another project involved here, which is why the webpage is not called DOGGO. And it is called Viktordao.io. There's probably previous tokens with the name like Viktordao or something like that, right? So, you can also get this token off of Radium if you want to get it in a decentralized way, and it is paired with Solana, USDC, and the Radium token. And you can find the contract address on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. That might be a little bit more difficult to navigate for some. Mexc Global's an easy way to get the token. Now, their official Twitter is at DOGGO_Solana. It says DOGGO, a meme token for everyone. And then they have a link to the founder's Twitter, which is at Viktor_Dao. So the DOGGO Twitter page has 13,600 Twitter followers. So they're doing very well on Twitter. Pretty active on there too, 355 tweets. Now, according to CoinMarketCap, they started out with a, not CoinMarketCap, according to their Mexc global announcement, they started out with a total supply of 100 trillion tokens. So like I said, there's like 98 trillion and some change there left. So it looks like it's a deflationary token, most likely with some sort of burning mechanism here. So it says DOGGO is a meme token backed by several communities. Its primary purpose is to get integrated into Solana NFT projects to be used as a staking reward and to help new projects with funding. Now, they also have a Discord you could join. Their official webpage is Viktordao.io, and they also have a full white paper which you can find at Viktordao.gitbook.io. Now, on their white paper, it says Viktordao launches a new meme token called DOGGO, and then it's got the token address that you could find on their white paper if you're looking for it. It says Bonk was airdropped to friends, Frank was airdropped to Frank's friends, Chile started dumping their team tokens after 24 hours. Where is the fairness that these collections were reportedly fighting for? DOGGO is a meme token launched for everyone, not only for friends, but for blue chip collections. DOGGO was created for everyone. Holding any Solana NFT, we've got you covered. Loyal fans of Viktordao, expect a juicy airdrop. So it says token distribution is as follows. So 25% of the tokens goes to grants for integration, 20% goes to airdrops for NFT holders, 20% partnerships, 20% presale, 5% team, 5% initial liquidity, and 5% giveaways to communities. DOGGO is a meme token backed by several communities. It says we put aside 25% of the DOGGO tokens to reward NFT collections who integrate DOGGO or come up with their own utility. So the main features, which are going to be regularly updated as well, is burning, funding, and integration into Solana apps. So pretty straightforward. So 20% of the DOGGO tokens will be sold for $50,000 on FCFS basis with a personal cap. This will ensure that everyone can be at the very beginning of the token launch, and tokens will be distributed among thousands of people and not just big whales. This will set the initial total market cap for $250,000. They also had a pre-sale here. It says personal cap per wallet, 250 USD. Vesting period for pre-sale tokens is 7 days, and pre-sale started and details were announced on Twitter and Discord. And if you were interested, you could have took part in that, but that is over. And now this token is listed on Mexc Global. So check out that Mexc Global referral code down there if you don't have an Mexc Global account and you're looking to get this token. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And check out all the referral codes and leave a comment. What do you guys think about DOGGO? Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.